This is some of the warmest air that we've had in a while around here that's coming our way. This is Christmas Day. This is Friday. And then this is on into the weekend. Notice how we start to develop a very stormy pattern after that, where that ridge is no longer in play. And now we're dealing with more of a zonal flow again with cold air and really cold air waiting for us up in northern Canada. And so that pattern will break, but this is the pattern right here we get into Christmas week. Big old ridge across the center of the country, above average temperatures, and the storm track really goes up and around. There's not a lot of storminess coming our way in terms of the forecast this week. So let's take you through it. There's your sprinkle chance tomorrow night, tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Tuesday looks good. Wednesday, we start to warm up again. And this is Christmas Eve right here. A few showers coming in, not a big deal. All right. This is warm air advection that'll be trying to come in. So we'll have a warm front that's trying to get in here Christmas Eve. This will actually, Santa's going to have an easy trip in on Wednesday, like afternoon, Wednesday night. But once we get towards Thursday, this return flight from Santa to the North Pole is going to be a piece of cake, because we're going to have this south wind that develops, and it's going to push him back up to the North Pole again. And so he's going to have a nice flight versus having a rough flight with cold air coming in. So as a result, few showers for Santa Christmas Eve. Shouldn't be too big of a deal, but we'll have a little bit of rain on radar. And then here's Christmas Day itself. You see how this boundary's just kind of hanging out on us? This is that warm front trying to get through here, and trust me, it will. It's just going to take its time because it's the middle of winter, so it's kind of hard to do that. Well, it's end of December. It's middle of winter in my book, meteorological. All right. I know we just started winter today. I get it. But you can see how that shower activity continues through Christmas Day, and then by Friday, it's lifting off towards the north. As long as this thing lifts north on Friday, we've got some really warm air to speak of. I mean, 60s maybe in the forecast. And same thing on Saturday as that front lifts off towards the north.